Myself Balaji Tripathi. So we are going to conduct an experiment on antenna lab. So here I have a, you can see here, so here I have a satellite transmitter kit, and this is a emulator kit, and one television is there with us. So, after this we have a satellite receiver kit. So in this set of experiment, what I am going to show you that how a signal is getting transmitted and how this signal will be received through this satellite trainer kit. So first of all, what I am going to do, I will show one by one in the all kit. I will show you how to perform those experiment. So first of all, I will power on this satellite transmitter kit. So you can see here, as you can clearly see, so it is written here, satellite training system, press main menu. So it is written here. So what I have, after this, what I have to do, I'll press menu button here. So when I'll press menu button, so you can see three options are given with us: uplink, frequency band, input channel, and view setting. So after this, I'm going to click A button, so that in which frequency I will transmit my signal. So I'll press A. So for uplink frequency, now I am going to set uplink frequency as 2481. So in this frequency my transmitting signal will be done. So I will select my uplink frequency. So I will select to D. So D part will be selected. So this is D which is selected here. After this I'll press enter here. So I'll do enter. So as you can see, D is selected. So now we will get out of this menu. So I will press here escape key. So after pressing escape, you can see I have come out of this window. So now in the second move, I am going to press B part, B, and in channel 1 I will select mic. So you can see mic in the channel 1, and in channel 3 I am going to select video. So two signal I am going to transmit, one audio signal and one video signal. So you can clearly see in the screen. So this signal can be selected. So now I will press enter. So two things, you can view the setting what we have selected here from pressing C. So when I will press C, you can see in channel 1 mic is selected, in channel 3 video is selected. So we have selected this. So now I will come outside of this window, and we have selected this uplink frequency and input channel. Now we will move to the satellite emulator kit. So in this emulator, you can see when I have switch on, so we can clearly see here. So it is written here, satellite training system, press menu key. So after this I am going to press menu key here. So now we have to, whatever uplink frequency we have selected there, that uplink frequency we will select here. So I am going to select A, and uplink frequency, our uplink frequency will be 2481 that I have given from transmitter. So I'll select D. So you can see 2481 megahertz is selected. After this I'll come outside of this window, and I will select the downlink frequency. So in which frequency the receiver will receive the signal. So for this I'll press B. So our downlink frequency will be 2400. So it will be less than the uplink frequency. So I'll press A here. So 2400 megahertz is selected. So now I will get outside of this window, and I can see the channel data. So as you see, we are going to transmit the video signal. So you can see video here written. So now I will press button A for video. So this is button A for video. So now I will switch on the receiver, satellite receiver kit. So this is the satellite receiver kit. So as you can clearly see, this is the satellite receiver kit. In this also I am going to select menu button, and we will select the downlink frequency which we have selected in the satellite emulator. So I will select the downlink frequency, and our downlink frequency was close to 2400. So I have selected here 2400 megahertz is selected. Now I will see the input channel. So in the transmitter side we have selected channel 1 as mic. So I'll select channel 1 as mic, and channel 3 as video. So that we have already taken from transmitter side. So in the receiver side only, in the receiver side also we have to select mic and video. So because we are transmitting the audio signal and we are receiving the video signal, so I'll press here enter. You can view the setting from pressing C here. So you can see from channel 1. From channel 1 I can clearly show you. So it is written mic, and for channel 3 it is video. So you can see. So I will come back outside of the window. So this is selected. Now I will switch on the TV, where we can see the here I have used mic. So here you can see I have used mic. So whatever I will speak, that will be get transmitted through a transmitter side, and it will be get received through a receiver. So after switching on the TV, so you can clearly see I have switched on the TV here. So we will go to the TV AV menu. So you can see here I have switched on the TV. So what now, if with this help of this mic, whatever I will speak, this kind of signal will be received. So when you will join the college, I will show you how this signal will get transmitted and how this signal will get received. So for the study purpose, I have shown you, this is the transmitter kit, this is the emulator kit, and this is the receiver kit. So how this, so if you'll join the college, I will show you how in the screen you can see whatever signal we are getting, whatever signal we are transmitting, that signal will be received through the satellite trainer kit. So this is all about satellite trainer kit. So when you will join the college, things will be more clear. So I have clearly told you the step, whatever which is needed to be followed. And you can see here antenna there. So this is the antenna which is there in the transmitter part, 2 antenna is there in the emulator part, and 1 antenna is there in the receiver part. So with the help of these antenna, the signal is getting transmitted and signal is getting received. And now the rest of the thing we will discuss in the tomorrow's class. So I will show you how things are going to transmit and how it is going to receive. So this is the receiver kit, this is the transmitter kit. So thank you everyone.